Welcome to another video of Billbox Post. In this video, I will show you how to use Billbox Post in laundry operation. For that, first of all, you have to configure the software for laundry operation. Select the menu configuration and under tab General. For the tickets drop down, select kiosk, click save and then restart the software. The recommended approach to use Billbox in laundry operation is by first creating an order. Then once the service is done, you can do the processing. So let me create an order here. So I have different items here. I will select my items after selecting the category, and once items are entered, I can adjust quantity from here. You can reduce quantity or increase quantity by using plus or minus button. I can delete a line from here. I can edit a line from here by using this button. So once my items are finalized, I can press this cash button or card button. It will then ask for advance payment. So let me put 0. I am not accepting any advance at the moment. Press OK. So this will create an order. So the transaction is not yet completed full. So once the clothes are washed and customer is back, we have to process the payment. For that, go to sales menu and here click on this button to get order list, and this will load my existing orders. So select the order and here is the order. From here you can just do the payment by using these buttons. So now let's see how to use these buttons here. By using this button, you can add a customer against the bill. So if you want to do this as a debt to a credit customer, then you can tag the customer against this bill, and then you can press this button to add this amount to his credited account. So if you want to split this bill, then you can use this button. You can move items to second bill. If the customer wants to split his bill into 2, once done you can press OK. Again, this is used to delete a line, this is to edit a line, and this to search other products. If you don't want to use this feature, you can go directly and search here to select an item. This button can be used to put this bill on hold. Once the customer is back, after the task is done, you can go to the queue to take the bill back, and then you can do the payment from here. This button is used to put any discount amount against the bill. This button is used to put any remark against the bill. So once the sale is done, you can check your reports. This is the report for sales by product. So this is a report here. Similarly, you can test other reports once you install the software in your system. Now let's see how to refund or edit my sale. Here is the ticket generated from the previous sale. You can move across different sales here, or you can search a ticket here. From here you can edit the ticket. Once you make necessary changes, you can do the payment from here. You can also refund the ticket by using that button, and once you select items for refund, you can go to the payment. So now, if you want to get more details on refund, you can refer to the video on refunds, or you can refer to the documentation. Now let's see how to configure categories and items. For that, go to menu stock. Here there is a button categories. Here you can add different categories. To add a new category, you can press this button and you can add new category. Let's say I want to put a category very heavy items. If I have any parent-child relationship between the category, I can select the parent category here. If I want to display this particular category in a different color, I can use this button. Once done, click save and the category will be added here. Similarly, if I want to add items under the category, I can use button products. Here once details of the new items are filled, I can select the category from here. This field should be unique. Click save. Sorry, that is overwritten. Let's say I want to get that back. I will put 1. Sorry, I want to press plus and then put 1, and then I can put the blanket. Select the category from here and then click save. Now let's go back to the sales window and see. Here is the very heavy items, heavy blanket. That's all about laundry operation. For the time being, I will see you other details in another video. Until then, bye bye.